Today I'll teach you how we guys can fix your Facebook 6-digit code not receiving. So if you're trying to log in into your Facebook account or trying to do anything on Facebook and it asks you for the 6-digit code, but you're just not receiving the 6-digit code on your SMS or your email. In that case, what could be the problem is your Wi-Fi. Check if your Wi-Fi is slow or not, because if it is slow, then that could be causing the problem. But let's say your Wi-Fi is not the issue and you're still facing a problem. In that case, what you can do is just close your Facebook app and delete your Facebook. Once you delete your Facebook, reinstall it again. Sometimes even doing this little simple thing of just like re-downloading Facebook fixes your problem. And the other thing is, if you have tried to send yourself the code like multiple times, let's say you tried to send yourself a code 5 or 6 times within an hour, then Facebook is going to disable the code sending feature because it thinks that somebody's trying to hack into your account. That's why for your safety it does that. In that case, the thing you can do is wait for 1 or 2 hours, or you can just use a VPN and connect to another country and try to send yourself a code and it'll work. Most of the time using a VPN fixes the issue and your problem should be fixed. And if you're trying to receive code via SMS, then make sure that your phone has like proper internet connection or proper network connection. Because if you're in a place where there's no network connection, then you're not going to receive the SMS code. So you need to keep that in mind as well, alright? So I hope you understand. If you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel one step for future videos like this. I'll see you guys in my future video. Bye bye until then.